All right, let's talk about one of the most iconic Canon lenses ever made, the EF-24 to 70mm lens. If you're shooting weddings, portraits, events, or honestly anything professionally, you already know this lens is a workhorse. You get the classic 24 to 70mm range, which covers everything. Wide shots at 24mm, portraits at 70mm, and everything in between. It's the perfect all-purpose zoom for photographers who need flexibility without swapping lenses. The constant f/2.8 aperture is a huge win. Low light? No problem. Shallow depth of field? Beautiful. And because it's an L-series lens, the sharpness is insane. Rich colors, great contrast, and crisp detail from edge to edge. This is one of those lenses that just makes your images pop. The USM autofocus is fast, accurate, and silent. Perfect for capturing quick moments at events or shooting video without focus noise. And the build quality is classic Canon L-series, weather-sealed, rugged, and ready to handle anything you throw at it. So who should buy this? Wedding photographers, portrait shooters, event creators, videographers, and anyone who wants a professional lens that never misses. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more camera gear videos.